Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to make a 2400 mAh battery pack, and for that we will require two 18650 lithium ion rechargeable batteries, a TP4056 battery charging and protection module, some wires and a soldering cable. First, we will connect our lithium-ion batteries parallelly with the help of two wires. Then we will wrap the batteries with the help of tape. Now we will do the required connections of the battery pack with our battery charging and protection module. You can see the connection on the screen. We will connect the battery terminals to the B positive and B negative and take the output for load from output plus and output minus terminals. Great! Our battery pack is ready. Now to charge the battery pack, we can connect a micro USB cable to the module. This red LED indicates that the battery pack is in charging condition, and once the battery is fully charged, the red LED will be replaced by a green one. And once it is done, we can use this battery pack with the help of its output terminals.